Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an omelette, and it's going to be super tasty and it's really easy. So first we need 2 eggs, crack them into a cup, and I'm going to put in a little bit of milk. You can use cream but I don't have any at the moment. A bit of salt and pepper for seasoning. So it's all in the cup there, and just going to get a fork and whisk it around. And in the meantime, we need to get a frying pan with a stainless steel handle with some oil in and get that super hot on the oven. A little bit of oil. Just want to make that get really hot before we pour the egg in. Bit of oil in my pan. You can use any oil, and you can hear that how hot it is. And in the meantime, I've also got my oven on at 200 degrees because the frying pan's going to go in there. So we just pour that in, and then you're going to tilt your pan and you're just going to cook that egg. So this just takes probably 30 seconds maybe. Now I'm going to get my fillings and pop them in the pan, and today I am going to do cheese, spinach and ham. So here's my cheese, got some spinach leaves here, no need for chopping because it's all going to cook down. And I've got some ham. So there's the fillings. I'm just going to turn my element off and I'm going to pop that into the oven. It's been in here probably about 2 minutes, and that's how it's looking, really good. And then we just get our spatula like that. We're just turning it over. Just going to put a couple of pieces of toast in the toaster to go with our omelette. This is our omelette here. Ready to be eaten.